Alright, so there she is. She pulled through, and all you gotta do is take it off. There, look at that. Look at the shape that's in there. She's actually broken over here. When she was steering, she was just pulling one side to the next. The bearing's toast on that. So that's why we got to this job. Look at that. You see it's broken right off right in there. Let's see if we can get it out here. There, you should just pop through. There we go, look at that. And that's how we get underneath. As you can see, there's not much to it, eh? I mean, a lot of banging to it and whatnot, but besides that, that's what it looks like. So now I just have to go back underneath the car, pry some more, and hopefully she'll come out. We're gonna try and hammer that out now. Let's see how she comes. Hopefully she won't give us too much heartache. Got a sledgehammer, a mini sledge. She's ready to come out. Just a couple of shots on it. I mean, like, I spent some hours on there, so smashing it certainly helped. There it is. It's off. Bang. There she was over here. So I just want to show you guys the tools that I used to hammer on the column underneath the car. So you got your mini sledge here. You got a small pry bar. I had a crowbar. I had a chisel. And then I had a long pry bar. Before installing any part, you should always inspect it. So you gotta compare one to the next to make sure they're both the same. You don't want to be putting it in and halfway through realize that the shaft is not the same. So that's what we're doing here. And we compare the two. And Houston, we have a problem. This shaft is not the same shaft at all. Basically, we got shafted. See that? How I start putting it in? From that end to here, check that, the difference. It's not the same shaft at all. If you're gonna be parking a vehicle for a few days, now we know it might take some time to get a new shaft in. And so the best thing to do is put the shaft, sit the shaft back in there, plug it up. So it's kind of hard to feel with gloves on, so just want to make sure you don't have any mice that are going to decide to make their way in. So